Hello everyone. Today you are going to learn about circumference of a circle and area of a circle. Okay children. So in the introduction part, in the introduction class you learned the formula of circumference of a circle. Okay, before going to know the formula, so you have to know what is the circumference. Circumference means so nothing but a perimeter. So in the plane figures we will learn about the perimeter. Okay. So in the circle you have to say that perimeter instead of perimeter you have to say that circumference. Circumference means the total distance around a circular region is known as the circumference. The circumference of a circle is 2 pi r. Here pi value is 3.14 or 22 by 7 and r is the radius. R is the radius. So what is the circumference? The total distance. The distance around a circular region is known as the circumference. So this is the diameter and it is the half of the diameter is formed 2 times of the radius. So in the diameter is equal to half. So radius is the half of the diameter. So it is the radius. Okay, right. So now tell me what is the formula of circumference of a circle? 2 pi r. Pi value is 22 by 7 and radius is r. Small r is the radius. Then diameter is equal to 2 times of radius. That is 2 into r is called diameter. Right. So now what is the area of a circle? Area of a circle. So what is the area of a circle? So if you take one circle and divide this circle into 8 equal parts. Okay, 8 equal parts. After you arrange this circle into, so each part if you take, okay, suppose you take one circle, okay, you draw one circle. After that you cut that circle into 8 equal parts. So next to take each part and arrange each part. So each part like this. Okay, after that arrange each part. So like this. So there 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and the 7th part and 8. So these are all the pieces of a circle. So okay, after you arrange this all parts, so it forms a, very good, it forms a parallelogram. Okay, so it shows like a parallelogram figure. Now again, if you divide this circle into 64 equal parts, so 64 equal parts, so that means each part is very small. Okay, you will get each part is very small. So after that, if you observe, so this is one side of the part you will get 32 sectors. Yes. Okay, so one more side you will get 32 sectors. So after arranging each 32 sectors, so that is the 64 sectors, you will get which shape? So exactly you will get the, yes, rectangle. So you will get the rectangle shape. So 32 sectors ma. So you have to, so divide simply. I am drawing this one. So you can do this one practically. You may observe there. Okay. So first divide this circle into 64 sectors. One part is having 32 sector and one more part is having 32 sector. After arranging this all parts in orderly, you will get the shape of the rectangle. So first you divided the circle into 8 equal parts. After arranging each sector, you got the parallelogram. After that, so 64 sectors. Okay na? So if you divide the circle into 64 sectors, so if you arrange each part, that is 32 sectors are next to 32. So all parts if you arrange like this, rectangle is formed. So that means the rectangle having the length and it is having breadth. The area of the circle here is equal to area of the rectangle. So here the length of the rectangle is equal to half of the circumference. Yes or no? So this here, see, this is the half of the circle or not? Yes. So 64, 32 parts. So these 32 sectors we have arranged like this. So that means this is the length. Okay. The area of the circle is equal to area of the rectangle. Rectangle having the length and the breadth. Okay. These all sectors are equal to these parts are not? Yes. So this part is equal to the half of circumference. Half of circumference. Circumference means total distance around a circular region. So total here 64 sectors. Here half of parts means half of the circumference. Okay, that means 32 sectors. Okay, now total 64. Half means 32. Here the length of the rectangle is equal to the half of the circumference into breadth is equal to radius. Breadth is equal to the radius of the circle. Then we know that half of the circumference is half into 2 pi r. Okay, circumference is 2 pi r. Half means 1 by 2 into radius is smaller. Now, so 2 cancel. What is the remaining? Pi r into r is equal to pi r square. How the area of the circle is formed? If they divide the circle into 64 sectors, if you arrange the remaining 32 sectors orderly, you will get the rectangle shape. The rectangle having the length and the breadth. So here, in the length of the rectangle is equal to the half of the circumference into radius. Breadth is equal to the radius of the circle. Half of the circumference is 1 by 2 into 2 pi r into radius is smaller. After simplifying, you will get the pi r square. Now tell me, what is the area of circle here? Pi r square. What is the circumference of a circle? 2 pi r. Okay. So remember the formulas and write in your notebook. Circumference of a circle formula is 2 pi r, where pi is equal to 22 by 7 and r is equal to radius. 22 by 7 is nothing but 3.14. So next to area of a circle or area of circle is equal to pi r square. So these formulas you have to remember and write neatly in your class workbook. Very important these formulas. Is it clear, children? Right. Okay. So next keep heading exercise 11.3. We will solve exercise 11.3 based on circumference and area of a circle. So this is 11.3 totally based on the concept of circles. Is it clear? Right. Okay. So take your textbook. So page number 223. First question. Find the circumference of the circles with the following radius. Take pi is equal to 22 by 7. Here we have to find the circumference. Given 14 centimeters. So here 14 centimeter. Find the circumference of the circle with the following radius. Here this 14 centimeter is nothing but radius. Okay, Mama? Given radius. So this radius is smaller. Radius given and pi value given, that is 22 by 7. What you have to find here? The circumference of a circle. We know that circumference pi value in the formula. 2 into pi value 22/7 into radius value is 14 centimeters. Units compulsory. Next, is there any possibility to cancel? Yes. Here the numerator and the denominator, that is 7 ones, 7 twos. Now 2 into 22 into 2 centimeter. Now multiply 2 twos 4. 4 into 22. So that is 2 fours 8, 2 fours 8. It is equal to 88 centimeters. Now tell me, what is the circumference of a circle here? So 88 circumference of a circle is 88 centimeters. Is it clear, children? Very good. Next, come to the B problem. 28 millimeters. 28 millimeters. See, this one also radius. Very good. Given radius, so that is small r is equal to 28 millimeters. Next, pi value is equal to 22/7. Now we know that formula for circumference of a circle is equal to 2/r. Substitute the values. 2 into pi value is 22/7 into radius is 28 millimeters. Now simplify 7 ones, 7 fours. Then 2 into 22 into 4. Okay, first single digits multiply. 2 into 4 is 8. 2 fours are 8. 22 into 8. 8 twos 16. 8 twos 16 plus 1 17. 176 millimeter is the circumference of a circle. So very easy, na? So then you solve exercise in the 11.3. First question, C1 you have to solve. Very easy, na? For practice purpose I am giving. So we solve these problems neatly. See, next second one. Find the area of the following circles given that radius. In the second question, so radius is 14 millimeters and take pi value is equal to 22/7. Okay. So what you have to find here? Area of the circle. Area of the circle. What is the formula for area of the circle? Pi r square. Area of circle is pi r square. Okay, substitute here 22/7 into r square. R square means r is multiplied 2 times. R is raised 2 times. So that means 2 times we have to take the radius. That is 14 millimeters into 14 millimeters. Now simplify 7 ones, 7 twos. So you know possibilities to cancel. So remaining values to write 22 into 2 into 14 is how much? 14 twos are 28. Millimeter into millimeter, millimeter square. Okay. So if any unit is raised 2 times, you can write the square. 3 times means write cube. Okay. Right. Now simplify 22 into 28. So that is 28 into 22. 2 8s are 16. 2 2s 4 plus 1 5. So same, leave the ones place. Write 56. 6 plus 11 16. That is 616 millimeter square. Now tell me what is the area of circle here? Therefore, area of circle is 616 millimeter square. Is it clear, children? Right. So now next see B problem. B problem, diameter is equal to 49 meters. Here diameter given. So in the B problem, diameter is 49 meters. Okay, so we know that area of circle is pi r square. Here diameter given, but in the formula radius is there. So then how to find the radius? Very good. Diameter is equal to so 2 times of radius. 2 times of radius. Then radius is equal to diameter by 2. Diameter by 2. Then radius is equal to diameter is 49 by 2. So now tell me what is the diameter here? 49 by 2 meters. Substitute here pi r square 22 by 7 into radius 49 by 2 into 49 by 2 meters. Units compulsory. Now 7 ones, 7 sevens, 2 ones, 2 11s. So next not possible. So remaining values write 11 into 7 into 49 by 2 meter square. Meter square. Right. Now again multiply 11 sevens 77 into 49 by 2 meter square. Now multiply 49 into 77. 7 nines are 63. 7 fours are 28 plus 6 34. So same value will get 343. So that is 3773. 3773 by 2 meter square. So again we convert them into decimal. So what will you get? 2 ones 2. So remainder is 1 7. Again 2 8s are 16. 1 take 7. 2 8s are 16. 1 13 is there. 2 6s are 12. So 1 take the point 0. Then 2 5s are 10. So what will you get by here? 1886.5 meter square. So like this, you have to find the area of the circle. If they will give diameter, you will find the radius. Then only you can find the area of a circle. See, children, next to C1 I am giving to you homework, so that C1 you have to solve in the second problem. Next come to the third question. If the circumference of the circular sheet is 154 meters, find its radius, also find the circumference of the sheet. See, circumference of a circular sheet is 154 meters. Okay, na? That means total length of the sheet given. But here you have to find the radius, also find the radius area of the circle. Here we have to find the radius and the area of the circular sheet. Right. First, given values, right mark. So given, what given here? So given circumference of a circular sheet is 154 meters. Okay, so we have to find the radius and the area. We have to find it. We know that circumference of a circle. So circumference of a circle, we know that na? So the circumference of a circular sheet is equal to 2 pi r. Circumference of a circle is formula 2 pi r. Substitute here. Circumference of a circle is 2 pi r. The total length is 154 meters. Now, so 2 into pi value here is given. Yes, pi value take 22 by 7 into radius is equal to 154 meters. We need radius. So transpose these all values 154 into 7 by 2 into 22. Okay, again. So is there a possibility to simplify? Yes. So 11 twos, 11 ones, 11, 44 is there, 11 fours. Again 2 ones, 2 sevens. Then 7 into 7 is 49 by 2 is the radius. Radius is equal to 49 by 2 meters. Otherwise you can convert them into decimal also. Next we have to find the area of whose circular sheet. We know that area of circle is pi r square. Now pi value is 22 by 7 and radius is 49 by 2 meters into 49 by 2 meters. Okay. Now again, is there any possibility to simplify? Yes. 7 ones, 7 sevens, 2 ones, 2 elevens. Then 11 into 7, 77 into 49 by 2. So in the previous problem, same we solved this one. 49 into 77. 7 nines are 63, 7 fours are 28 plus 34. Then 343. Then total is how much? 3773 by 2 millimeter square. So again convert them into decimal. So that is 2 ones 2. 1 is the remainder 70. 2 eights are 60. Again 1 7 take. Again 2 eights are 60. 1 next to 3. 2 6 are 12. 1 take the decimal point and take 0. 2 5s are 10. So what is that? 1886.5 millimeter square. So finally you write down thus radius and area of circular sheet are 49 by 2 meters and 1886.5 meters square respectively. You can convert the 49 by 2. So what will you get 49 by 2 here? So that is 24.5. So divide 49 into 2s are 4, 9, 2 4s are 8.5. So that is 24.5. Here 24.5 meters and 1886.5 meters square respectively. So like this you have to find. Okay. See children, fourth question. A gardener wants to fence a circular garden of diameter 21 meters. Find the length of the row he needs to purchase. If he makes 2 rounds of fence, also find the cost of the row. If it costs 4 rupees per meter. Okay, gardener. So he wants to fence. Fencing, you know that na? So fencing. So in our house around we are making one fencing. So like that, this gardener also wants to fence to a circular garden. Okay, circular garden. Garden is in the shape of circle. Here the diameter 21 meters. The circular garden of diameter is 21 meters. So he wants to fence a circular garden of diameter is 21 meters. Okay, find the length of the rope. So this total length of the rope we have to find. Okay, the total length of the rope he needs to purchase. So to fence the circular garden he need rope. How much length of the rope is required if he makes 2 rounds? Okay, so he wants to fence the circular garden. So how many times he wants to make the fencing? 2 times, 2 rounds. Then how much length of the rope is required? So how much length of the rope he will purchase. Okay, so also find the cost of rope. Suppose the cost of one rope per meter length of cost is rope of cost is 4 rupees, like that. If we total after finding the circumference of this circular garden, so you will get some area. Okay, you will get some length. So then further, how much length of the rope he needs to purchase. First, in fencing means compulsory how to find the circumference. Okay, now fencing means total length. So at that time you have to remember fencing word will appear. Compulsory how to remember how to find the circumference. Right. So once again listen. Gardener wants to fence a circular garden of diameter. The gardener wants to fence a circular garden of diameter 21 meters. 21 meters. Okay. So then find the length of the rope he needs to fence. That is, he want to fence 2 rounds. Then total length of rope we have to find here, right? So before finding that, given the diameter of circular garden. So what is the diameter of circular garden here? 21 meters given. Okay. Fencing means we have to find the circumference. Their radius is compulsory. So that's why we have to find the radius. What is the radius? Half of the diameter. That is 21 by 2 meters. Now the circumference of a circular garden is 2 by r. Then substitute 2 into pi value is 22 by 7 and radius is 21 by 2 meters. Okay, substitute. Now simplify. 7 ones, 7 threes. 2 cancel. Then 22 into 3 meters. Multiply. 3 2 6. 3 2s are 60. Then 66 meters. What is the circumference of this circular garden? 66 meters. Okay. Now he need. So how much length of he wants to fence the circular garden? Okay. Then what is the cost of for 66 meters? What is the cost of 66 meters? So here you have to write the gardener makes makes 2 rounds of, so how many rounds here? 2 rounds of fence, so that the length of rope, so that the length of rope of fencing, that is 2 into 66 meters. So that is 2 6 are 12. Again 2 6 are 12. 132 meters. So total 132 meters. Now, so for a meter cost is the cost of 1 meter rope here 4 rupees. Okay. Then the cost of 132 meters of rope is, that is 132 into 4. So 4 2s are 8, 4 3s 12, 4 1s 4 5. That is 528 rupees length of 528 rupees is required. So the gardener need how many rupees to purchase the one for 132 meters? 528 rupees. So in like that, in our daily life we are watching such type of problems. Yes. So at that time we can use this formula. So first fencing means compulsory how to find the circumference. Very good. Right. Children, copy that. Okay, children. So now it's time to give homework. Now take homework keys today. First problem in the C and second problem C1 and solve example problems. So for practice purpose I am giving that example. So practice example problems in the page number 222, example 17, 18 and 19 problems. So once again we have to remember what is the circumference of a circle and what is the area of a circle. So okay children, so practice this all and send homework in the Google form.